shop today, boys and girls. Look at what we have today. Did you see that? Oh, sick. This is for people that may not recognize it or just flat out don't know what this is. This is a Honda Civic. It's a 2002 Honda Civic. I do know it's a K20. It's a fully built bottom end, fully built top end. It's got a Garrett GT30, I believe he said. It's I think he said it's running on about 12 pounds of boost right now, and we're gonna try and work on that. See if we can turn it up a little bit, see what the knock sensor's saying, and just do a little tuning to it. So bring you guys along for the ride. I just did an oil change on it, or I'm finishing up. This thing's so sick. It's a good turbo. All right, just got the oil changed. Just gonna take it off the lift, double check for leaks, and then we're gonna do a little tuning. As you can tell, the startup AFRs. So when you start your car, so at idle, a car ideally should idle at 14.7 AFR. At idle, that's very good idle AFR. But when you first start it, your AFR should actually be a little richer. Richer would mean that the number would be lower, like a 13 or a 12. So ideally, on a perfect tune-up, you'd like the car to start up around a 13.0 AFR on idle. And as it's warming up, it's going to steadily start climbing until it gets to that 14.7 once it's fully warmed up at idle. And then obviously as you're driving around and in boost, there's a lot of other variables and AFRs that go into that area, but idle alone, it was running around 16.8 to 17.2 or something. I was way too lean, so I'm gonna make a couple adjustments there before we even hit the road, and then we'll go ahead and go tune this thing and see how it comes out. All right guys, it's the next morning and I'm out here tuning the drive around fueling. Show you what that looks like. Just getting all the fuel maps kind of dialed in, and had to do it real early in the morning because it's about like 120 degrees out during the day, so it's the only time I have that's any cold air. This car's so sick. It's a couple hours later. I pretty much got the car dialed in. I didn't get too much video of it, but it didn't need a whole lot of work. Mainly just needed some fueling adjustments. Yeah, we're cruising back to the shop, so he's running good. What's up guys? Today we are working on the mid-engine Honda CRX. We are, oh, my water is overflowing. Oh no. Whew, the swamp cooler was overflowing. So yeah, today we are back to working on the roll cage on the mid-engine Honda CRX. If you guys haven't seen it, if you're new to the channel, go and check out some of the previous videos. But we're gonna go ahead and move on. So I just got done with that pillar on that side. Let me show you what I did, and then we're gonna copy the same thing on this other side. So I just got that plate cut out and put in there. It just kind of flattened it out a little bit, not quite, but enough to get the plate to sit at least in 2 spots flat. I threw some tacks on it. I got the pipe cut to where I wanted to sit, height wise on that end. And then I went ahead and notched it out right here. So I got this tacked in right there. And then we got it tacked in right there. So we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. I went ahead and already cut 1 inch off the bottom of this pipe so that it sits where I want it. Now I just need to cut the hole in the floor so that once we weld up the cage, we'll be able to drop it down. And then I'm gonna go ahead and notch out right there where I made those marks. That way it can conform to this top pipe real nice. And for that we got our hole saw. Kind of tough using one hand here. Alright guys, I just got that other pillar bar majigger. I got it made and I got it fitted up and I got it tacked in. So there it is. Got the bottom little plate tacked in there. Tacked the dude up to the thing, and then tacked the thing up to the other thing right there, as you can see. See, I tacked that thing up, and now that's what we're with. It's kind of starting to look like a cage now, to be honest. I mean, it's pretty much insane. I never, I thought that, I mean, I always try my best, but, you never really know what you're capable of until you put your mind to it. And, man, this thing's just cool. It's awesome. I love it. I'm having a blast. It's a ton of work, but it's a learning process. On the next one, it would be a lot easier. So... Alright guys, I got this cleaned up a little more, fitted up a little bit better, and I got it tacked in there. So that's how she's looking. It's coming out pretty good. Do a little walk around and everything. Final once over. We still got to do the door bars, an X brace in the back, and then weld everything up. But this is where she's at for now. Really like that piece. That came out really nice. Getting a little bit better with the bender, and I'm getting a little bit better with the notching, so I'm getting a little bit more creative, and just really stoked with how everything's coming out. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. We've still got some more work to be done, as you guys can tell, but it is tough when I make these videos really long for me to edit them, so I'm trying to get it a little more simpler and keep you guys entertained at the same time. So if you guys have watched this far, appreciate you guys. If you could drop us a like, that always helps out the channel a lot, helps spread the videos to other people that might want to watch them as well. And then share the videos with your friends too. Let's get this channel out there a little bit more. I want to hit 2,000 subscribers, and then once we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. We're almost there. We're just a couple hundred away, so hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.